NFTs in a nutshell. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, might sound complicated, but they're basically like a certificate on the internet, letting everyone know this belongs to you, no one else can touch it. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are identical and can be traded one for one, each NFT is entirely unique, like a signature on a rare painting. NFTs have various exciting applications. In digital art, where artists can now sell their work directly to you without needing a middleman through NFTs. In music, allowing you to own exclusive tracks or albums from your favorite artist, not just listening, but actually owning. And in gaming, where NFTs can be rare items like one-of-a-kind weapons that only you possess, earning respect as no one else can own them. NFTs have become a big trend due to three key factors: uniqueness, as only you have it with no duplicates; true ownership, as it's the real deal, not just a copy; and a clear transaction history, allowing you to know its origin and ownership trail. Basically, NFTs let you own a unique digital item that everyone acknowledges as yours. Sounds a bit simpler now, right? Let's chat a bit about the hottest types of NFTs right now. Currently, NFTs are mainly developed on Ethereum, ETH, the Open Network, TION, and Solana, SOL, especially around 2021 and 2022, the time they really exploded. These three chains are the strongest for NFTs, and any blockchain enthusiast has probably heard of them. What are the standout types of NFTs? PFP NFT, profile picture, the ultimate flex. These NFT collections are often instantly recognizable. CryptoPunks is a legendary example. Holding one of these NFTs, people know right away you're a playboy. Utility NFT. This type is a level up because it's not just for show, but comes with all the privileges. Owning one might get you airdrop from partner projects, or you can stake it to earn tokens. Plus, with one of these NFTs, you can get whitelisted for IDOs, private sales, or even join exclusive alpha groups where top players share insider insights before anyone else knows. Gaming NFT. This is the go-to for gamers. It could be a character, an item to use in games. The more you play, the more value it builds up. It's literally play to earn in action. Overall, NFTs aren't just collectibles for fun. They're a way to dive into an ecosystem with serious potential. Anyone who thinks NFTs are just images should look deeper. They're way cooler than they seem.